Hi guys! As you can hear, we probably have fried chicken in the background. We're making gluten-free fried chicken, so come back to our YouTube channel to see that recipe. But for now, we are making gluten-free, egg-free, dairy-free bagels. So this didn't really rise a whole lot, so I think I already screwed it up, but we're going to go with it. So I will post a recipe and how I got to this point, but I've let it rise for 1 hour. Now we're going to make mini bagels. So we'll show you the rest of the process and how it turns out. And this recipe is from Farm Fresh with a Twist. It's their New York bagels, mini bagels. I'm going to move the camera down a little bit so you guys can see us making them. So I'm going to divide it into 8 slices first.
That's kind of a sharp knife for doing that. Okay. Now you just grab one?
Yep. That's a little piece. Okay, so they said to roll them in a ball. Yeah, it's warm because it was in a warm place to rise. I put it in the oven, like what she said. Okay, so she said to roll it in, or he, whoever that is, roll it in a ball, and then put it.
You weren't supposed to place it
on the baking sheet, and make a little hole.
Do you need them?
I'm pretty sure these should have been way bigger. These might not turn out at all.
Mommy, look.
Stamps.
This one's green and this one's black.
Black, it looks like purple.
Okay, we don't want to place it too much because it'll make it hard.
Then
Make a hole.
cut it down. And make a hole.
And then, once we have 4 made, I have some water boiling. So I'm going to...
I get all the big pieces. Look at how big this is.
Perfect.
Weird.
Okay. I'm going to boil these for 2 minutes on each side. I hope they don't fall apart in the water.
I don't think we've ever boiled anything on our show.
I think you're right. 2 minutes. In the meantime, they need to be, oven needs to be 425.
No, that one was really crackly and I don't know why.
Yeah, I had one of mine where it was like that too. I think it's where it got dry when I was...
Okay, last one. Let's fall apart.
Oh, they're starting to float.
Oh,
You guys want to see? The 2 closest to us are starting to float.
I should have packed it down.
We're going to boil these and then we'll put them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, our bagels have come out of the oven. I'm sorry for the fried chicken being so loud. You definitely have to come back for our fried chicken recipe. It's looking great. But anyway, the bagels, some of them are which are not so small and some are which are big. I didn't do a very good job dividing them. But I'm putting them into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes and we'll show you what they look like. Hey, taste test the bagel with peanut butter. It's supposed, yeah. She's never tried a bagel before, so this is her first bagel, I think. Okay. I think it's okay. We'll have to try it when they get cooler and see what it tastes like.
They do taste good.
Okay.